Guess what day it is? BINS day. So we are at the BINS. I only have an hour today, so hopefully we can find some good things. I'm really trying to focus on shoes and then any clothing that's just kind of better quality because I'm noticing that that's really selling not only for more but quicker. So yeah, let's go in. Let's not waste any more time. Let's find some stuff. Okay guys, so we are back and it is haul time from the BINS trip that I just took. It's been a couple days. I really don't remember what it is mostly that I got, so we're gonna go through this and learn together. All right, some of the first things that I got were, if you see these at the BINS, pick them up, I promise you. So these are Disney princess dresses. They weigh next to nothing, so when you are paying for them by the pound, you can make a pretty quick profit on these. So I actually picked up 7 of these. 6 of them were the same size. This one's a little bit smaller, and I already have somebody coming from my Facebook group to pick up those 6 for $20 or $25, which pretty much paid for my entire BINS trip. So grab these, sell them locally. It works for me. Hopefully it works for you too. The next thing I picked up, looks like we have some shoes. These are Earth brand. They're like kind of like a comfort shoe, comfort sneaker. These are it's the Traveler in black, size 7.5B. They're leather. So these, the Earth brand sells pretty okay for me. So I grabbed these from the BINS. I also found a pair of Dansko, and obviously none of this has been cleaned up yet. Dansko kind of Mary Janes. Ooh. These are size 38s. I love selling Dansko. Looks like I have more shoes in here. Yep. I found a pair. These are in like awesome condition, and I thought they were really cute. These Bongo wedge. They almost look kind of wicker. They've got really cute bows on the front and this cute polka dot pattern, sling back. They're size 9, and I think it's called like a school bell. I'm like Schul bell, school bell. So these are the school bell style, so really easy to look up stock photos for that. And then I think the last pair of shoes that I picked up, there's another one in here, I promise. But anyway, it's these Adidas tubular, size 6. These just need to go in the wash. These are gonna clean up awesome. These are in great condition. It's a really cool colorway. It's kind of like this black and white. They're knit. Cool shoes. Alright, here's my receipt. Yeah, I paid $24. So those little 6 dresses have me in a good spot. And then these are a pair of J. Crew City Fit, size 4, kind of chambray pants. They look wide leg. So really great for spring and summer. I found a couple Eileen Fisher pieces. It's pretty hit or miss for me depending on the piece, but I will always pick it up at the bins. So this is Eileen Fisher Italian yarn. It's a petite, small, a navy blue skirt knit. It's a heavier weight knit. So I don't love that it's a skirt because, you know, skirts don't really do fantastic for me. But it's in excellent condition, and it's I don't know if the color will show up, but it's kind of like a dusty purple with like blue, it almost looks like a space dye. This is a Nike dry fit Nike Pro athletic top. It's got this really cool graphic print on it, like cartography-esque. It's a size extra large. And this was cute. This was an American rag, little cold shoulder blouse, little crop top, size medium. Okay. Oh, here's the other sneaker. All right. This is an American Apparel long sleeve bodysuit. It's got this faux wrap in the front. Really pretty blue tie-dye. Size medium. This is a Lucky brand. V-neck button front, white long sleeve top. I thought this was going to be great for spring as well. It's a size small. This, I think, is my other Eileen Fisher piece. Yep, so this is a size medium Eileen Fisher. And these are some knit wide leg pants in black. Awesome condition. It's kind of like a ponte fabric. And mini Bowden. I might save these for my son. Size 9, 10, just some cargo shorts. This I thought was cool. I've never heard of this brand before. Love and Harmony, size large. It's this denim jacket, like a jean jacket. It's distressed. It's got these great buttons on the front and then this really cool stripe down the sleeve. So, like that. And then a pair of American Eagle relaxed fit jeans. These are men's, size 34, 32. Just some jeans. And then the last thing I picked up was this Timbuktu laptop bag. So depending on the style, these can sell for a decent profit, at least for me, on Poshmark. And this one's in really great condition. So I'm going to put this up and see how it does as well. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite piece was. If you like this type of video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, consider doing that. Hit the bell below so you get notifications. And I will see you in my next video. All right, thanks, guys.